Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a trade on Luno. So did you place a trade but changed your mind? Alright, no problem. This tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to cancel a pending trade, specifically a limit order on the Luno app. So note that you can only cancel a trade if it's still open, meaning it hasn't been filled yet. Now, this applies to limit orders, not market orders. Market orders are executed immediately and cannot be reversed. So first of all, start by launching the Luno mobile app and signing in with your credentials, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Now, from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the portfolio icon, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now, if you have set up your account and verified your account and set up your wallet, this is going to show you your crypto balances and access to your trading activity. So let's say you placed a limit sell order for Ethereum. Now go ahead and tap on the Ethereum wallet from this page to proceed. Once you're inside the wallet, the next step is to scroll down to find the open orders section. Now here you will see all active trades that are waiting to be filled. Now tap on the specific open order you wish to cancel, and you will see full details like price, amount, order type, and status. At the bottom of the order details screen, go ahead and tap the cancel order button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, so go ahead and tap yes, cancel to finalize. Then the order is now cancelled and your funds will be immediately available in your wallet again. Now, if you have multiple open orders, you can manage and cancel them under the order section found in either your wallet or the explore area of the app. And that's how easy it is to cancel a trade on Luno. Whether your strategy changed or the market moved, you're always in control of your crypto assets or your crypto trades. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, it'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.